In front of me is HMD Pulse Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can apply Apple layout on this Android. Begin by opening Play Store and downloading free app called Launcher iOS 18. From Launcher Studio Developer. When it's ready, open it. Then hit Get Started, select I agree to terms and conditions and choose Continue twice. Now tap on while using the app in the pop-up and allow in all the other ones. Finally, after closing an ad, click on Set as Default at the top and tap on iOS Launcher to apply it. If you want to switch back to your Quick Step Launcher, go back to the same app and tap on it over here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!